Ivory white with vivid hues of magenta, this native orchid is found across Southeast Asia. Exuding a beautiful lemony scent with spicy undertones, this makes for a perfect citrus scent, which is why we have included it into Citrus 8. In this harmonious blend of diverse scents, therapeutic orchids are included, enhancing the overall fragrance composition with their soothing, calming, and medicinal effects. With a scent that closely resembles jasmine with an interesting tinge of lime, this therapeutic orchid releases a touch of sophistication with an irresistible zing to it. Beyond the lovely aroma lies its medical benefits. This orchid is often used in decoction as treatment for arthritis. Here is another orchid that is recognized for its medicinal value in traditional Chinese medicines. It is a promising ingredient that is being researched for its ability to fight against cancer-causing cells in the liver. In ordinary uses, this orchid is consumed with rice or served in porridges to treat coughs and asthma, or as a tonic for internal injuries. In our fragrance compositions, complexity is key. To enhance this, we have included many other scent notes apart from orchid scents which you have just learned about. So, let us reveal to you what else is in the composition. Do you detect hints of mints and sweet fruity notes? If yes, you are absolutely right. The diversified fruity notes in Citrus 8 adds a splash of sweetness with a delightful splash of tropical juiciness, complementing itself perfectly with the lemony scent of the native orchid. It evokes a sense of joviality and adds a playful character to the fragrance, creating a lifting and vibrant touch. Mint, reminiscent of evergreen winters, gives off a cool, icy, and refreshing scent, brightening the fragrance with its invigorating nuances. While doing so, mints carry other benefits like fighting harmful bacteria, killing off infections that might fester, and leaving a protective and icy sensation on the wounds. Some studies have also shown that in aromatherapy, mint oil can increase alertness and help decrease anxiety and fatigue. A fragrance crafted perfectly for the carefree and free-spirited individual. This is a scent that delivers energy, brightness, and refreshment, depicting a fun-loving and easygoing man. This one's for you.